We have a special trip today. We'll take around. We take everyone to see local market here at Warorot. You see? You think you can name them? So this is frog, and this bucket is snakehead fish, baby turtle, and that snail from the rice field, from the fresh water. That's eel, and those catfish that you're asking me. Yeah. So this is not only for cooking, but they also release them into the water. This is very nice. So this lantern that you see for the festival, I love the colors, all stuff here. And you see a lot of here, a part of the temple. This is we call it khao tok. This is rice, from rice, like a popcorn. It's a pop rice, yeah.
From rice.
Yeah.